if you notice, there are little words there. So you're going to take it here. Henry's getting impatient. And you're going to slip the words part first into the buckle. And then do the same with the other side. This is the Martingale collar. It looks a little confusing, but it's really not. You can adjust it so that it goes on comfortably loose on your dog's neck. And there's Toby waiting. Sorry, we're about to go for a walk, so he's getting a little impatient. And then you just slip it on. And that's it. We have to go for a walk now because he's going to go crazy. Thank you. It's a little windy out here, but you could see it attaches in the front as a no-pull harness. So when they see something that you want to redirect their attention, you just kind of pull them this way. And then the Martingale collar, you'll notice it's loose. If he starts pulling, it gets tighter, and only then does it get tighter. Once they stop pulling, it goes back to being loose. And to take this off, oh, here's the seatbelt buckle. It attaches to the tether in the car, already attached to the human seatbelt. So to take it off, you'll notice when we put it in letters first. So we just take it out. The part without letters goes here. Good boy. And then again, the part without letters comes out. And then you just slip it over. There's Henry. Say hi, Henry.